Hello everyone, how you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. I am Belinder and you're welcome to Belinder TV. Excuse me. I do videos on DIY hair care, hairstyles, wigs, and some other fun stuff. Today's video, today I'm going to be talking about, or rather I'm going to be showing you how I take care of my protective hairstyle, get it to be new, look nice all throughout the month. But before we get into the details of today's video, let me give you guys a quick reminder. Jesus loves you. Yes, Jesus loves you so much that he gave himself for us. He accepted to be nailed on the cross for us, for you and me. So do not ever forget that, okay? Jesus loves you. So in everything and anything you are doing, consider his feeling. This thing I'm doing, is it going to make him happy? This thing I'm doing, is it going to break his heart? Just remember that he loves you. So that being said, let's get right into the details of today's video. So this hair is 2 weeks now, but can you tell it's looking new? I'm going to let you guys know the secrets, as in how I got it to be like this. I'm going to tell you guys in a minute. So firstly, here I have my concussion, guys. I'll call it concussion. This is what I use on my hair. I don't know how I'm going to show you guys without pouring it. Can you see? It has clove, garlic, ginger, and Lipton in it. So I just put it in here and pour some hot water in it and cover it like this. It's been here for about 3 hours. So I'm going to sieve it now, and the water that I get from it, I'm going to put it on my hair, on my scalp. I'm going to soak all my hair with it, especially my scalp. Then afterwards, I'll use this oil on my hair. This is also a DIY oil. I have a video that shows how you can make this oil yourself. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. This is the oil. It's infused in a lot of different organic ingredients that you can find. It's really easy to find. It's everywhere. It's common. So I'll leave the link in the description box so you check that out. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, you see how new this place is? Let me show you guys the middle. See, it is already old here. It's old here, but this front is new. So even if I style it like this, you're going to think that the whole hair is new. Excuse the noise. You're going to think that the whole hair is new. And how I did this is I just took down this front row. I took it down and I redid it. Well, you get the point, you get me. So I just loosed it and did it again. Yes, I think that's correct. I loosed it and I did it again, and it just bomila shiri. The Nigerians, Yoruba, will understand what I say. It means it covered my secrets that people didn't know. Wait, yeah, you have old. So, but that's not the main focus of today's video. So here, my concussion, I have sieved it. So this is how it's looking now. It's just water, no particle in it. I have already sieved it. So I'm going to just apply it. You can put this in a spray. You can just pour this in a spray bottle and spray it. I can't find my spray bottle, honestly. I think it has spoiled or something. I don't know where it is. So I'll get another one when I get money. I'm just going to do like this. I'll pour it in my hands and go over my head like this. Just making sure that it goes everywhere. You don't want to put too much so it's not dripping. If you have high porosity hair, this is not going to be a big deal for you because your hair is just going to be accepting the water. It would it will mark oil. It's going to hug the water. It will absorb it easily. But if you are medium, it's going to take a little while, but it's going to absorb it. But if you are high porosity hair type, it's going to take a very long time to absorb it. But it's a good thing too, because when it finally absorbs the water, it's going to hold on to it for a very long time before it dries off, compared to high porosity hair type like myself, which dries just as fast as it absorbs the water. That's why I always moisturize my hair, because it dries really fast. So I'm just making sure that all my scalp has some of this water in it, just to keep it moisturized. And the weather, hey Jesus Christ, the weather is so dry. Harmattan. I don't know which parts of the world you are watching me from, but in this part that I am right now, Ghana, the weather is so dry and cold. It's freezing right now in the morning. So when it's like afternoon, it's going to get a little bit hot, and then in the night it's so cold. So now my hair is damp. Mind you, we are not getting it wet and dripping. As you can see, nothing is dripping on my body. So it's just damp. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply this oil on it to seal in. This oil is going to seal in this moisture. It's going to make, like I said, I have high porosity hair type, which absorbs water. High porosity hair absorbs water quickly and let go of the water even quickly, like that. So I'm going to use this oil to hold the water in there for a while, to stay there longer. I'm going to use my mirror. It's not coming out. It's not coming. Hey, energy. I'm going to put this oil on my hair, whether I like it or not. So you can do it this way, or you can use the spray bottle also. I'm just going to concentrate on the scalps. And mind you, beautiful viewers, do not use your nails like chicky Debbie. No, you use the tips of your fingers, like this part. That's what you use to massage your hair, your scalp with the oil. Be generous with the oil, but don't overdo it. In short, just do it small. Put small. So sometimes I concentrate too much on this part because it's comfortable for me to work on, and I don't, this crown, this part and the back like this, I don't take care of it very good. So don't be like me, and then you end up noticing growth at the front, and then the middle is maybe it's short somehow. So you need to make it even. If you're taking care of this place, take care of this place, take care of everywhere. So now I'm going to be cautious and intentional about this part now. Make sure you put it everywhere, no cheating. Everywhere, the back, the neck, the front, everywhere, guys. So the remaining ones, you can just rub it down like this. So don't forget the edges. Remember to apply some on your edges. So my hair is 2 weeks now. I'm going for a month. I hope I'm able to have it on for a month, but that's what I want. That's the goal. So fingers crossed. A month's protective hairstyle before I take it down. If it gets old again, you can just redo the front like I did. Just redo the front parts and it's going to look new again. Redo the front and some at the side here, so that when you do a ponytail, it's not looking too old. And then the back, try and do this last line. We do the last line like that. So guys, that'll be all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful, informative, educative, entertaining. So thank you so much for watching. I am Belinder, and I'm supposed to say something at the end. Yes, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and comment in the comment section. All this is going to help YouTube like push my video out there. If no comments, no likes, nothing, the video will just be there. So please like, okay, comment something. Even if you want to comment that I don't like this video, just comment it. I know you won't say that. So that'll be all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Remain blessed.